I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make grid system full guide. Start by choosing a base column count and gutter size, then set container widths and breakpoints. Define a clear naming convention for classes and decide if you use fixed or fluid columns. Test layouts across devices and adjust gutter scaling for readability. Use rhythm and alignment to guide visual hierarchy and keep proportions consistent always. Choose column count based on content density and responsive needs, usually 4, 8, or 12 columns. Calculate column width by subtracting total gutter width from container, then dividing. Use relative units like percentages or rem for flexibility and consistent scaling. Establish breakpoint rules that reflow columns rather than hide them. Document spacing system and make utility classes for quick layout swaps to speed development across projects. Test math with real content to ensure visual balance. Quick recommendation: if you want a mindset nudge about money and long-term planning, check out the book The Simple Path to Wealth. It reframes saving and investing simply and can help you prioritize financial freedom while building design systems. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Use CSS Grid for two-dimensional layouts and Flexbox for single-axis alignment. Pick based on layout complexity. Create a responsive grid using grid template columns with repeat and min-max, and control gaps with gap property. Provide fallback or progressive enhancement for older browsers. Build component-level containers that inherit grid rules and avoid deep nesting. Iterate with visual testing and accessibility checks to ensure focus order and readable spacing across devices and maintain performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.